This is the passenger side door, dynamated, fittings ready for the speaker upgrade, cleaning of the panels. Not sure if I'm going to carpet the panels at the moment. As everybody knows, it all comes down to cost. But like I said, this is the driver's passenger side, and this is the driver's side. Same again, ready for sorting its speaker upgrade with the Dynamat. Not sure if I'm just going to clean the panels up, or even try and put 4-way stretch carpet on. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for looking.